prisons only give out certain medications. So if you have a cold, an allergy, diarrhea, or you broke your foot, you get the same pill. By the same token, if you have a seizure or you're having a psychotic break or you're having anything, they give you trazodone. That's the only drug they have. They don't give you anything else. And they give you more of it than you need because they want you to be a zombie. If you're a zombie, you're less likely to fight with them. And so what we're really doing is torturing people. We're not helping them. There's nobody in the prison who's helping. You have punitive correctional officers instead of social workers. So you have an environment that's oriented in 100% towards punitive measures. So there are officers who are dedicated officers that do nothing but read emails. There are dedicated officers who do nothing but listen to your phone calls. And they do this in order to catch you saying something that could get you in trouble and that give them the ability to take away from you the very few things we have, like visitation, commissary, where you need to buy everything from sneakers. They don't give you warm clothes in prison. If you're in a environment in West Virginia where it's going to snow in the high mountains, they give you a jacket and a t-shirt. You're freezing unless you can afford to buy a sweatshirt off a commissary. So everything is punitive. They want to take away phone, they want to take away email, and they take it away from most of the people.